Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have another weekly setup in my Fauxbonichi today, and the kit I'm going to be using is the Love Heart kit, which is my Valentine's kit. There we go. I'll quickly show you last week's spread. There we are, all filled out. I really like the colours and the way it turned out. I'm going to skip forward now and set it all up. So here we are, here's my final spread all set out. Really loving the rainbow colours on this one, and I've got loads of deco and stuff to add to this week as well. So I've got, next to these flags I'll put down my husband's work schedule for the week, and we're actually going away next week, or at the end of this week. So I've got some packing bits and stuff to do. Got space for my meals, to-do list, habits that I'm tracking. I've got reading and Instagram. Space here for memories, where I write down something that I want to remember from that day, or something I'm thankful for. And then I have space down here for some to-dos. I'll probably use this for my packing list this week, rather than things for my shop, but making sure that I've got everything together. So this is what I have left. I've got a checklist, some half boxes, lots of icons, a couple of flags, a sticky note, lots of deco and some checklists, lots more deco, icons, and then some of these check boxes. And I'll probably dot the deco on the spread throughout the week as we go, once I work out what's going on where. So new releases this week on Saturday, these will hopefully be released. We have my Tiana kit from Princess and the Frog. It's another one of my princess kits. So here are the 4 boxes of the full kit, along with lots of these appointment type labels. Here's your checklists. and some quarter boxes. Really love the colours on these. We have half boxes and small quarter boxes down there. Your bottom washi, your weekend banner, date covers and some little strips of washi, as well as some half boxes. Then we have icons, lots of deco, and a couple more boxes down the side. Your little things and your headers and some more deco. So that's the Tiana fall kit. That will be out on Saturday. It also comes in a mini / bullet journal kit. This is the type of kit that I'll be using in my journal. So there's your full box page. Little things. Check boxes, deco and washi strip. And then date covers, half boxes, weekend banner and the other washi strip, along with some icons. So that is the mini / bullet journal kit version of Tiana. It also comes as a Hobo Weeks kit. So there's the first page and the second page and the third page. The other new releases this week are these really cute baby sheets. So I have these ones here. These are is the Cuddles sheet. So we have like little baby Bobs here cuddling a teddy bear, and then we have Bob with a little baby Bob, and they come in pastel colours. We also have a changing bag sheet in pastel colours, and then a feed time sheet. Now this could be used for feeding baby, but it could also be used for, you know, animal feeding and, you know, dinner time, that kind of thing. So they'll be out in the shop on Saturday as well. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, click the like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!